In today's video, we will discuss again about the same chapter, that is categories of computer and computer languages. This is the first chapter of class 6. This is the part 2. In the previous video, the types of computer. Now, in addition to the different types of computer, few other categories of computer also have gained relevance recently. They are the mobile technology, game consoles, and embedded computers. In today's video, we will discuss about these three types of computers one by one. First, let us discuss about the mobile technology. Smartphones are the handheld devices with computer power with the additional ability to make phone calls. Mobile technology is continuously evolving and getting adopted very rapidly. The first generation cell phones were invented in the 1970s and were known as 1G mobile technology. 2G mobile technology was introduced in 1990s, which used GSM and GPRS network. Then passing through the 3G network, now we have reached the era of the high-speed 4G mobile network with transmission speed up to 20 Mbps without compromising on the quality of the service. It also provides a host of other benefits. Extensive use of computers in mobile technology has made this advancement possible. 5G mobile network have experimentally started in Japan in May 2013 by Samsung. India has started moving into 4G from 3G network after Airtel launched India's first 4G network in February 2014. Now many service providers are coming ahead with this technology. Now the next thing we will discuss about is the game console. A computer game is a predefined program that is used to simulate and play a structured and defined set of moves and rules on a personal computer or a dedicated computer interactivity. Computer gaming is one of the top industries in the world today. Game consoles are dedicated devices that are mainly used to play interactive computer games. It functions like a PC having CPU and RAM. The interaction takes place using handheld devices called controller, joystick, buttons, or pads. The interactive video and sounds are generated by monitors and speakers respectively. In these devices, the logic of the game is directly written into the hardware, and so they load more quickly and also have multiplayer support. Some of the examples of consoles include Xbox, PlayStation, GameCube, and Wii. Next, we are going to discuss about the embedded computer. An embedded computer is a self-contained personal computer that is a part of a larger system. They are generally small in size, require low maintenance, can efficiently cool themselves without use of fans, and cheaper. These programmed computers are now being used by many industries to increase their processing power or act as the extended CPUs for their new system. These computers are encapsulated within another controlling device and perform the tasks that are outsourced to them like a dedicated computer. All appliances that have a digital interface, for example, watch, microwave, washing machine, car, smartphone, etc., use one or many embedded computers. For example, a modern-day automobile can use many embedded computers to control and computerize the system like ABS, brake balance, GPS, air conditioning, ignition system. Without these computers, it would become almost impossible to achieve full computerization of all these features. Now your assignment is to find out the full forms of the following terms from Google. They are GSM, WAP, GPRS, CDMA and GPS.